Hey friends, if you encounter this issue of white dots appearing all over the screen on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, if this is if this is an issue with the hardware, the display, the monitor, if it is with dead pixels, then you can do nothing about it. And in this case, you will have to connect that monitor to a different system to check it. If it's a laptop, then maybe you cannot check it. Okay. So the next approach will be as follows. You can search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display drivers. Right click and update the drivers. Right click and update the drivers. Okay. And then there is one more thing that you can try after updating the drivers, that is to make sure that the screen resolution is correct. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and select display in the right pane, and then make sure that the scale and resolution both are selected at the recommended value. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.